मन में संकल्प किया हुआ है कि 30 अक्टूबर को वहां पर पहुंच करके कार सेवा करेंगे और मंदिर वहीं बनाएंगे।
स्वप्न देखते बाबर के अरमान मिटा कर मानेंगे।
भाइयों बहनों, 500 वर्षों का इंतजार समाप्त होने जा रहा है। रामलला हम आएंगे, मंदिर वहीं बनाएंगे। प्रभु आ रहे हैं।
भगवान श्री राम बस आने ही वाले।
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। आप सभी को पता होगा 22 जैन को राम मंदिर प्राण प्रतिष्ठा एंड इनॉग्रेशन होने वाला है, और ये भी पता होगा दैट 2019 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फाइनल डिसीजन दिया था इन दिस राम मंदिर एंड बाबरी मस्जिद डिस्प्यूट। 500 years old dispute was finally resolved in 2019. But इन 500 सालों में क्या क्या हुआ है, स्पेशली इन द लीगल एस्पेक्ट्स, ये मोस्टली लोगों को नहीं पता होगा। दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू कवर इन दिस वीडियो। राम मंदिर की हिस्ट्री को समझने के लिए आई विल लिस्ट डाउन ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स इन द पास्ट। सो लेट्स बिगिन। Starting from 1528, approximately 500 years ago, when Mir Baqi, commander of Babur, created Babri Masjid. At that time, the Hindus said that Babri Masjid is created by demolishing Ram temple on this land. The first riots then began. The first riots were from 1853 to 1859. The British government got involved, and the British government concluded that the land be divided into two parts. The inner portion will go to Muslims and the outer portion will go to the Hindus. The first court case was filed in 1885 when the Hindus demanded for building the roof of the outer part for the purpose of worshipping. And then, coming to 1949, 23rd December 1949, this is the date when the actual war began. When on the main part of Babri Masjid, Lord Ram's statue was placed. Then, because of the tension of civil war and the ongoing dispute among the people, the government put a complete ban on the land. Many civil cases were filed for the removal of this ban. In 1950, a case was filed by the Hindus for right to worship. Then, in 1959, another case was filed by Niromohi Akhada saying that they demand complete possession of the land. And in 1961, Sunni Waqf Board also filed a case saying that this land should be handed over to them for Babri Masjid. Many committees and religious groups were formed for the resolution of these things. Then in 1989, another case was filed named Ram Lala Virajman. They wanted complete rights over the land. Many rallies, protests, etc. happened, and Lal Krishna Advani, senior leader of BJP, was arrested in this whole case. In 1991, the government of Kalyan Singh put a complete ban on the land. On 6th December 1992, the demolition of Babri Masjid happened. Many people, thousands of people were involved, and they made a temporary Ram Mandir. In 2002, Allahabad High Court appointed Archaeological Survey of India to solve this dispute. The Archaeological Survey of India report concluded that in 12th century there was a temple, and in 1528 there was a masjid. And as per the local people, masjid in 1528 was built by the demolition of the temple. By considering all the evidence, on 30th September 2010, the Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court gave a historical judgment. They divided the whole land into three parts. The first part of Ram Murti will go to Ram Lala Virajman, second part to Niromohi Akhada, and the third part to Sunni Waqf Board. But on 9th May 2011, Supreme Court put a stay on this judgment of Allahabad High Court. In February 2016, another case was filed for building Ram Mandir on this land. Until December 2017, there were 32 appeals in the Supreme Court against the decision of Allahabad Court. From January 2019, the hearing of this case began. On 8 March 2019, the Supreme Court said that a mediation panel is appointed to settle the dispute. This mediation panel will be regulated by the court. And in May 2019, mediation panel submitted their final report. The hearing began in October and Supreme Court asked the parties to submit their molding of relief. What is this molding of relief? Molding of relief means that whenever any party has asked for claims, for relief related to their claims, if in case the Supreme Court is not able to grant them, not able to deliver them, then the Supreme Court is asking them to submit their alternative relief that can be granted to them. This is what is molding of relief. Then the Supreme Court gave the final judgment and said the judgment of Allahabad High Court was unsustainable. So the Supreme Court, using its power of Article 142 under the Constitution, gave a final direction that the land of 2.77 acres of Babri Masjid will go to Ram Lala Virajman. And from government, 5 acres of land will be given to Sunni Waqf Board. Both the parties will get their land on the same day. So this was the whole legal dispute, legal battle of Ram Mandir and Babri Masjid. And इसी decision के बाद अब वहाँ पर राम मंदिर बनाया जा रहा है. I hope through this video you were able to get new information related to history of Ram Mandir. For more informative videos, subscribe to channel. If you are planning to prepare for government job or you are already preparing for government jobs in the legal discipline, then this channel is a one-stop solution for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You can share your views in the comment below. Thank you and have a nice day.